Software development has gone through a dramatic transformation over the last 2 decades. Coming up next, learn about some of the most innovative technologies responsible for redefining the industry.
Estimates show that approximately 2 billion people worldwide do not have a bank account. And in some countries, cash dealings represent up to 95% of all transactions. However, a large number of these unbanked people have a smartphone, providing them with access to digital currency.
The blockchain provides safe global access to digital currency through its cryptography nature. It allows people to commit transactions to the blockchain and be verified with a mathematical equation. On top of that, it's highly distributed, which allows it to scale globally without a single point of failure like traditional systems.
Today, companies are harnessing the power of the Ethereum blockchain, bringing services that would otherwise be unattainable to the masses.
VibeHub is the world's first platform that displays photorealistic holograms of musicians, educators, and public figures, and we take those holograms and produce them in our own virtual and augmented reality environments. We utilize the Ethereum blockchain for voting, tipping, accounting, payment transactions, and most importantly, to utilize the Ethereum smart contracts.
VibeHub's Vibe token allows users to buy and sell experiences far beyond the possibility of traditional technology.
Traditional technology doesn't allow users to be able to buy holographic performances of educators, musicians, and public figures. So the Vibe token will allow users to buy holographic content that doesn't exist anywhere on the internet today. And we're also be able to integrate marketplaces where users will be able to sell their own experiences directly on the VibeHub platform and be able to accept the Vibe token.
While the technology for virtual reality has been in development for decades, it has only now become practical for the average consumer due to the advent of ultra-high-resolution screens, coupled with the increased velocity of graphic processors.
The easiest way to think about volumetric video is what most people call holograms. What it is a true 3D volumetric recording from multiple viewpoints, so that when we place these objects in VR or AR, we can actually walk around them and look at them as if they're actually physically there. It's like capturing a memory and being able to revisit that memory in VR and AR later.
This truly unique virtual reality and augmented reality technology provides artists and educators with the platform required to reach millions of viewers in one stream.
Blockchain will enhance the capabilities of this sector in 3 simple ways, allowing secure global transactions that are easily scalable. It will allow users to vote on several things on the platform, from competitions to policies. And 3, will allow them to establish ownership on the blockchain with our digital assets and collectibles in our marketplace.
VibeHub envisions a big future for its technology, one that could be used for escrow, tipping, voting, crowdfunding, and could even run entire college and university courses on smart contracts.
I think that when you add hologram technology to the VR space, the possibilities become endless and boundless. From creating fully immersive 1st through 12th grade curriculums to college and university level degree programs to even trade school certifications, which are $100 billion a year industry. I think that the VR AR integration will change these industries forever for the better. Well, the 21st century student's actually born into a tech-fueled modern society where everything is visually enticing. And then they go to school and we ask them to sit quietly and passively and listen to a teacher talk to them. I just believe as wider acceptance of virtual reality happens, teachers will be able to put their kids into visually immersive experiences like visiting ancient Egypt or going to space. And so in my opinion, if properly utilized, virtual reality's impact on education will be revolutionary.
For more information, visit VibeHub.io.